We are from Congo Minjugungwagu. We are acting against AWEP because they handle Miru system to be a part of a contract to sign with the Congolese government. And we decided today we could come because through their contract there is embezzlement and bribery that is against Korean law. In Korea, corruption is very, very bad, almost from leaders. And in Congo, there is corruption that happened. And that corruption, it could not allow Congolese people to vote in another way. But in Korea, always the people are voting in another way. And that corruption, that is why we are here to denounce and to act against that corruption. So each of us will go to talk and to express some word in any language that you can. All of our activists, they are going to talk and to speak, to show their sadness for what is going and it's happening in the Congo for our people. So we will start and each one will talk. Nana Robanda, check. Robanda mnonyo so voka uzali libe 2 minutes na yo pesi mutu mususu comme ça. Everyone is going to talk, even in any language they want, to show that.
Aib을 해체하라. Aib을 해체하라. Aib을 해체하라. Aib을 해체하라. Korean.
How they can answer?
Same thing. 해체하라. 해체하라. 해체하라.
Hey web, 해체하라.
I will do it. Aib을 해체하라. You 해체하라. 해체하라. 해체하라.
해체하라.
Hey web, 해체하라.
해체하라. 해체하라. 해체하라.
Hey web, 해체하라.
해체하라. 해체하라. 해체하라.
Hey web, 해체하라.
해체하라. 해체하라.
Boca cabeça. Alô. Boca cabeça. Alô, yo Camila. Alô. Freedom fighters need justice, change, and progress. Freedom fighters need justice, change, and progress. And Congo Democratic. Kozali boso ya aweb pona web sabangote. Ba machine à photo basalaki comploye na miru system. Biso nyoso ba Congolais to moni ba dégâts oyo esali biso na mboka. To moni ba dégâts esali biso na mboka. Yango to liboso pona to liboso ya ewe pona ko signaler bango ba dégâts machine esali na mboka, population kufi, population votete, ba mi voter bango moko. Suite to moni élection denga bimaki, résultat bimaki ya fraude, résultat bimina ba na ba ISB or to yebi ça sert à compilation pour ba résultat bima. Yango biso population congolaise ko to vanda awa na Séoul. On te vendre à la Séoul et en Corée du Sud. Deux to pauvreté le loto ya liboso ya web pour protester contre fraude électorale on est ça mina mboka o bango ba causer biso. Yango to za liboso ba congolais nyonso pour na ko dénoncer ba fraude o eleki na kati ya mboka na biso et puis ba bazuli yango ba sanction lokola nanga kwa azali président ya Seni. Vice président na ye ba Sengezi. Et puis na fils ya basengezi oyo azalaki pe étudiant awa na Corée du Sud. Yango te pour ko dénoncer biloko nyonso oyo ba machine à voter sali biso na mboka. Donc Freedom Fighters toza awa pour ko dénoncer oyo nyonso machine memeli biso na mboka, population akufi ti sikoyo. Population zo continuer ka kokufa. Yango te yeli boso pour ko dénoncer web ayoka makambo nyonso oyo memeli biso na Congo. Ba machine na banga voter to lingaki te. La fois passée to zalaki na miru system pour na koyebisa bango ete ba machine wana to boyi yango. To zalaki ti na national election oya Korea awa. Et ce qui va peut-être dans la besoin machine qu'elle était parce que la population congolaise est prête pour voter la machine à voter. Tout le monde qui n'a pas beaucoup en Allemagne, va boire qui yango, va boire que va boire la machine à voter. Va préférer va dans la Congo. Si vous avez le même mission dans Congo, Congo na militaire dans la Kimiate. Des autres total les autres aussi dans la Congo. Population comme Kobomona na population comme Kobunda entre na yango to yeli boso a pona ko dénoncer nyoso. Na web ba ba makambo oyo basali na machine à voter oyo memeli biso na Congo. Merci beaucoup. Oyo azala ni loba kolomba ayo ko bakisa. Isanga. Asa kesho. Isanga sala concession. Freedom oye! Freedom oye! Freedom akobanga! Biso freedom toye awa en tant qu'activiste mpona kobundela cause ya mboka na biso. Tolobaki tokolemba te tokodénonce nyonso oyo ya mafia ezotambola contre mboka na biso Congo. Yango wana toye liboso ya awa mpona kodénonce nyonso ezali mpona mboka na biso. Naza na mingi ya koloba te, naza sur bato nyonso monde entier bolandi ndenge nini toye komanifeste liboso ya awa na suki wana. Freedom oye! Freedom oye! Freedom oye! Elle est promoteur, elle est numéro 1 de la cause de fraude des élections qui s'est passée au Congo démocratique. C'est pour cela, nous, les peuples congolais, les activistes, les Freedom Fighters qui vivons ici à Corée du Sud, à Séoul précisément, nous sommes venus devant les AWEB pour protester contre les élections de fraude qui s'est passées dans notre pays, la RDC. Il y a les peuples qui se battent entre eux parce que ce que les peuples ont voulu comme président, ce n'est pas celui qui était sorti. Les gouvernements en place qui ont voulu cette machine à voter, ils ont voté eux-mêmes dans leur maison pendant la nuit. Et ce que les peuples étaient partis faire, c'était juste pour amuser la galerie. C'est pour cela que vous voyez tous ces désordres qui se passent dans notre pays. La fois passée, c'était au mois de juillet 2018. Nous étions partis devant les Miro System pour leur interdire d'envoyer cette machine au Congo. Nous étions encore partis à la NEC, National Election Corée, pour leur interdire de faire passer cette machine au Congo. Et nous leur avons dit que si cette machine part là-bas au Congo, tout ce qui va nous arriver, nous allons venir les dénoncer ici devant les airweb. Et c'est pour cela que nous sommes aujourd'hui devant les airweb pour leur dire tous les faits que les machines à voter ont causé dans notre pays. Nous voulons la justice. La machine à voter a créé des désordres. La machine à voter a mené la corruption dans notre pays. Voilà maintenant les peuples congolais souffrent. Les peuples congolais n'ont pas la paix. Les peuples congolais, c'est le désordre total qui règne là-bas au Congo. Il y a le sang qui coule comme pas possible. C'est comme si on tuait les animaux. C'est pour cela que nous sommes venus devant EWEB pour protester contre ça. Je dis et je vous remercie. Freedom Fighters, oh yeah.
Your name and
Yeah, okay. Hi, everybody. My name is Angel. Yeah. I'm a member for fighters, Freedom Fighters. Today is the day we come here for demonstration in A-Wave. That's why, yeah, we finish our demonstration. And I want to say, God, thank you, because every time you protect us, you give us everything we need. Yeah, like example, like food, because the first things the first thing The first thing we can be in life is the food, water. Yeah, be strong, have a strong, no sick. That's why God protects us every time, every day. I want to say just God, thank you. And we come to Korea for because of problem. In Congo, a lot of problems. People die every day, every time. That's why we don't want to stay in Congo. Big problem if we stay there. And we lost all family. We lost people. Every day, people die. Every day, your friend die. Every day, your auntie. We cannot stay. And the problem is because of our riches. We have a lot of gold, a lot of diamonds, caoutchouc, coltan, oil, namu. We have animals, forests, water. We have everything. God bless Congo. We are the first country to have everything in this world. The first country to have everything. And we don't know why people, all people in the world put test ice in Congo. When they come to Congo for kill people, what they must take like a diamond, they must kill. They want to take coltan, they must kill. They want to take like kirum oil,
Yes.
they must kill. They want to take everything. They want to take. They want to kill. Why? Why every day they must to kill people? For what? For what? Because of diamond? Because of riches? It's God bless Congo. It's not me. It's not my friends. It's not my parents. Bless Congo. It's the God bless Congo. I can't say now God have a fault because God bless Congo. I cannot say that. But if you think too much, you can say, God have a fault because God bless Congo and the people kill Congolese people.
When did you come?
Long time ago. Because I don't want to die. I come to Korea because Korean people protect us, protect me. That's why I come to Korea. It's a good country. You can work 24 hours, no problem. If you didn't make trouble, you will be in the life. No problem. Until today, I never been to police station. I live here more than 10 years. I never been to police station. I never have a problem. I never fight outside. I don't have a problem with anyone. That's why Korean people, if you don't do bad things, you will be in the peace in Korea. It's a good country. I can say it's the first country. Korea number one. Yeah, Korea number one. I have a peace. Just we don't have a job. We don't have paper like visa for be in the life like everybody. Yeah, for do life. For have a life for everybody. Yeah, for be free. We are not free. We are not free. I want to be free. I want to be free. You understand what I mean? I want to be free. Yeah. I want to be free like everybody. If I'm free, I can have a good job for help myself, help my friends. Help some people they don't have anything to eat also, like people in the hospital, like this. You understand what I say? Yeah, yes. And I want to just say thank you for Korean people, because Korean people they have a good big mind and they are good. Because Korean people thank you too much for you guys. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Fight.